I'm going to present an oral presentation titled Effects of Lettuce Seed Oil in Patients with Insomnia Disorder, a randomized controlled trial. Insomnia is a subjective complaint that sleep is difficult to initiate or maintain, or it is non-refreshing. Insomnia disorder is defined as insomnia for at least 3 nights a week or at least 3 months. It is the second most common mental disorder, and it affects about 20 to 40% of older adults. Insomnia is mostly treated with benzodiazepine and the non-benzodiazepine hypnotic drugs. However, residual daytime effects, development of dependence, and withdrawal symptoms associated with most hypnotic drugs are of considerable concern. Lactuca sativa, or garden lettuce, is one of about 50 species of the genus Lactuca lettuce from the plant family Asteraceae. It is cultivated in Egypt and in some Asian and European countries and is used mostly as a salad herb. Lactuca sativa has been in use since ancient Egyptians as a folk remedy for many disorders, including insomnia or sleeping disturbance, and this had been documented in many pharaonic literature, including the famous Ebers Papyrus, dated back to the year 1550 before Christ. Lactuca sativa seeds as a decoction or pressed oil have been used to induce sleep and calm in cases with insomnia and anxiety. The seed oil has also been used externally on the head for the treatment of headache, hair falling, and to induce sleep. Powdered seeds were used orally for cough, colds, and asthma, while a milky latex extracted from Lactuca sativa, called lactucarium or lettuce opium, was used for its sedating effect. It contains lactocene, lactocone, lactobacrin, and a trace of triterpenes, as well as iron and vitamins B1, B2, and vitamin C. Quantitative analysis. The cold pressed seed oil of Lactuca sativa was subjective to qualitative and quantitative studies with different chromatographic techniques. The gas liquid chromatography revealed that oil is built up of 7 fatty acids, including mainly the oleic acid, stearic acid, palmitic acid, and others, while thin layer chromatography identified a good content of beta-cetosterol and beta-amyrin. Preclinical studies. The oral lethal dose 50 in mice is about 19.7 milliliter per kg. Lactuca sativa seed oil exhibited a pronounced sedative effect in the locomotor activity test in mice, and it potentiated the hypnotic effect of barbiturates in a study done in Mansoura University and published in Phytotherapia Journal by Saeed et al. Phytotherapia 1996. Lactuca sativa demonstrated a significant analgesic effect in another study on animal model of pain, the acetic acid-induced pain test. Also, it showed a significant anticonvulsant activity against pentyl-enitritazole-induced convulsions in mice, and this was published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in the year 2004. Objectives. We planned this study to evaluate the sedative and hypnotic effects of Lactuca sativa seed oil in human subjects suffering from insomnia with or without anxiety. Material and methods. 60 patients suffering from insomnia disorder were randomized by computer-based block randomization technique to receive either a soft gelatin capsule named Sedan containing Lactuca sativa seed oil 1000 milligram in 30 patients, or a similar placebo capsule in another 30 patients. This is for every evening for 1 week. All patients were asked to complete 2 verbal questionnaires: the sleep rating scale questionnaire and the modified state trait and anxiety inventory questionnaire before the start of treatment and at the end of 1 week. Safety and tolerability analysis were based on the intention to treat basis, while efficacy was based on the per protocol analysis for the scale scores. This shows the sleeping scale questionnaire, which is composed of 10 questions. Each one is scaled from 0 to 2. 0 means nil, 1 sometimes, and 2 often. The higher the score is, the worse is the patient problem. While this is the modified state trait and anxiety inventory scale, which is composed of 20 questions. Each one is scaled from 1 to 4. The higher the score is, also the worse is the patient problem. Results. 25 patients in each group completed the study and included in efficacy analysis. Both groups were well matched for age, as we see in this graph, and for sex distribution. Construct validity and reliability for the 20 and 10 items of the state trait and anxiety inventory and the sleeping scales were confirmed by factor analysis and the Cronbach alpha tests. The effect on the sleeping scale. This graph shows that the effect on the sleeping scale, the mean sleeping scale score before treatment, this is in green, and after treatment in red for both treatment groups. Lactuca sativa treated group showed greater improvement in the mean sleep score by independent sample t-test with high statistical significance and p-value of 0.009. The effect on the state trait and anxiety inventory scale. This graph shows that the mean state trait and anxiety inventory scale score before treatment, here in green, and after treatment in red in each group, there was a greater improvement in the mean state trait and anxiety inventory score by Lactuca sativa oil than the placebo, and the p-value was significant. The overall efficacy and safety results. This graph show the differences in mean scores of both scales by treatment. This is by the Lactuca sativa seed oil, Sedan, and this in red, the differences in both scores by the placebo. We conducted a multivariate analysis of covariance model for the effect of treatment on both scores, the state trait and anxiety inventory scale score and the sleeping scale score, adjusted for baseline scores and the 4 centers as 2 covariates. This showed superiority of Lactuca sativa seed oil or Sedan with high statistical significance. No serious or grade 2 or above adverse events were reported, but only few mild gastrointestinal symptoms were reported in both groups, not causing interruption of treatment and were comparable in both groups. In conclusion, Lactuca sativa seed oil Sedan might be safe, helpful sleeping aid and could be considered as a hazard-free natural over-the-counter treatment option, especially in geriatric patients suffering mild to moderate forms of anxiety and sleeping disturbance. Larger multi-center studies are recommended to confirm these promising results. Thank you very much.